Just a little overview on the yard rack. I want to show a couple features here that I haven't talked about in the past. As you can see, I've got the yard rack on my Kubota L4760, and it's, you know, it is a smaller rack, but it's very functional. You know, it actually holds quite a bit of stuff. It comes standard with this drop-down hook to carry, you know, hoses and different things, and one of the rubber strap tool holders here as well. And one thing I wanted to point out here with the rack is that it folds up just like so, and it's got a strap inside. So this strap that's in here, I apologize, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but this strap that's in here will connect to this clip here, and if you want to drive around with it this way, you can in the folded up position. You can see that, how it's folded up. Now the other thing that I haven't mentioned a lot is that the rack dumps. So if you release the top cables right here, okay, take these two down, the rack dumps. So you can let it down and fold this bag inside out and flip it inside out. So if you have like debris in there you want to empty out, you can do that. The other thing it has is it has this plastic liner that protects the ballistic nylon canvas there. So it's really heavy duty canvas that we build these with, but it can be replaced. We have not replaced any of them, but it's very thick and very durable, just like all of our products. So I'm going to fold this back up here, and said this just hooks back into place here. Like I said, I'm trying to do it with one hand, so it's a little more difficult, but that basically clips on there, and this side over here. So that's it. And you know, you can put all kinds of accessories on here. It plugs right in to our heavy hitch here, this drawbar. You can see we have a heavy hitch on here, and it plugs in with one pin. So it's very easy to connect and disconnect. One other thing I just did here as well is I put the gear bag right on the quick hitch itself. It actually works out pretty well. Never did that before, but there it is. And those can go on the sides of the yard rack as well, like saddlebags, like on a motorcycle, but it just gives you extra carrying capacity. There's like 3 compartments in those bags, and it works out really well. But that's just a quick overview on the yard rack. Hope you enjoy it. Check us out at bigtoolrack.com to learn more. Thank you.